Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, shall we continue with circles, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, let me ask some children. What did you learn yesterday? What are the things you learned?
Sector, tangent.
Okay. Okay. Then, anything else?
Theorems.
What?
Theorems, ma'am.
In circles?
Theorem, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
Theorem. What theorem did you learn? Which one? What
Ma'am,
did you
equal
learn?
chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center.
Correct. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Then,
The perpendicular
Ma'am,
from
the
the center
perpendicular from the
circle to a
center.
chord bisect the chord.
correct. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Very good. Then,
The
Ma'am, there is one and only one circle passes
only
through
one circle passing through three given non-collinear points.
so one circle passes through any collinear points. Correct. Then Farhan has come. Good.
Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center.
Very good. Yes. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Very good. Then,
Ma'am, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal.
correct. Angles in the same segment are equal. Then, what else you learned?
The sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180.
Correct. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary or sum up to 180. Correct. Then, angle in a semicircle
Ma'am,
is
the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle.
angle at the circumference.
Angle which is in semicircle is equal to 90 degrees.
Correct. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Then, any other point? Minor segment and major segment.
Yes,
What did
Yes,
Major sector, minor sector.
major segment?
minor sector, major sector.
Huh. Huh. Angle in a minor sector, major sector.
Angle which is in the minor sector is obtuse angle, and angle which is in major sector is acute angle.
Acute angle.
Correct. Instead of sector, you can say segment. Correct. Very good. So these are the different things we learned yesterday. All of you are telling correctly. All of you remember also. So shall we do, what shall we do today? Shall we continue? Shall I give you
Yes,
a
ma'am.
problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Or or you want to see video?
And
Ma'am, you gave some homework yesterday.
Did you do it? Homework? Did you do homework?
Ma'am, I didn't get the answers.
You didn't get the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain that problems, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I'll open that now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
You have already learned that
I gave you this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in first one, APB is 110. Okay. You have to find X there. They have not told us that DB is a diameter. How much is CPB?
Ma'am, 70.
Ma'am, 70 degree.
Ma'am, 70.
How much is PCB?
Ma'am, 95.
Ma'am, 85.
How did you get 95? How did you get 70 plus 25?
Ma'am, 85.
Ma'am, 85, ma'am.
Ma'am, 85, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, 85.
70 plus 25 is 95. 180 minus 95.
85, ma'am.
85, ma'am.
So X will be 85. Why?
Angle sum property of triangle.
No. X will be 85 because angles in the same segment, right?
Angles in the same segment, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here, CPB is 70 because linear pair. PCB is 85 because angle sum property. X is 85 because angles in the same segment.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at question number 2. How much is PRS? How much is PRS? PRS. Hello, can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How much is PRS? How much is PQS? PQS.
20, ma'am. 20,
20, ma'am.
20. So PRS will be PQS, PRS.
20, ma'am.
20, ma'am.
Because angles in the same segment. PQS, PRS. See that PS is common, no? PS. PS.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ಗೂ ಪಿ ಎಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್
ಹೌದು,
ಇನ್ ದ
ma'am.
ಸೇಮ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 20 ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್
90, ma'am.
90 angle sum property 90 now how much is PSQ PRQ
35, ma'am.
Ma'am, 35.
35, ma'am.
yeah PQ
That's in the same
is
segment,
common,
ma'am.
no? PQ one and same segment. PQ is there in both PSQ, PRQ. So 35. So how much is X?
55, ma'am. Ma'am, 55, ma'am.
55. 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here. See the third one. How much is LNO? LMO?
43, ma'am.
43. So how much is X?
87, ma'am.
87. How?
No, ma'am.
83, ma'am. 83, ma'am.
180. 54 plus 43, how much?
97, ma'am.
97, ma'am.
97.
ma'am.
97.
180 minus 97.
83, ma'am.
83, ma'am.
83, ma'am.
83, ma'am.
That is the answer for third. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, did you get the second question? Did you get second question? S is a point on the circumcircle of a triangle PQR. Did you get it? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Nobody got?
No,
So we have to draw the figure first, right? What is the meaning of circumcircle?
Perimeter, ma'am.
Perimeter. Circumcircle.
circumference of the circle, ma'am.
Not circumference. Circumcircle means the circle is touching the three vertices of the triangle. That is the meaning of circle. If you draw a triangle and then all the three vertices, one circle passes through all the three vertices, then we'll say it is the circumcircle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So let us draw the figure now. Can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now tell me what the question is. Question is, what is the question?
S is a
Can you tell
point on
me?
the circumcircle of triangle PQR, in which PQ is
Wait,
equals to PR.
wait. S is the point on the circle of a triangle PQR. So PQR triangle is here. S is a point somewhere. Now tell me.
In which PQ is equals to PR, such that Q and S are on the opposite side of line PR.
Q and S are on the opposite side means S should come here, correct? Yes? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite side of what? PR.
Line PR.
Now, is it correct now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then read. Then what is there?
If RS is produced to a point T, such
RS
that
is
RT
produced point T.
such that RT is equals to QS.
RT is equal to QS. So I have to join QS.
Prove that
Now?
PS is equals to PT.
PS is equal to PT. So I should join PT, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we join PS also?
Yes, ma'am.
If you can prove TPS equal to TSP, then we can say that PT equal to PS, correct? PT equal to PS. No need.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to prove that PS equal to PT. So I have to join PS and prove that this angle equal to this angle. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Then this will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
equal to this. They have given RT equal to QS. Here, QT is not a straight line, okay? This is a straight line, but QT is not a straight line.
Ma'am, are they given RT is equal to QS?
Yeah, they have given RT equal to QS is given. PQS by
Ma'am, by making
triangle.
the triangles PQS and PRT congruent.
Correct. What are the criteria?
Ma'am, PQ
What
is
will you
equal
get?
to PR.
PQ equal to PR. How?
Ma'am, they have given.
Given, ma'am.
They have given. Okay.
And
PS
angle
equal to PT.
PQS is equal to PRT.
PQS equal to PRT. How?
Ma'am, they are on
Reason?
the angles on the same segment, ma'am. PS is common.
Correct. PQS equal to PRS. Angles in the same segment.
And
And
QS is equal to RT, ma'am.
Given. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So triangles are congruent. What criteria?
And by
Yes.
SAS.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
SAS criteria. They are congruent. What is the CPCT?
PS is equal to TS.
PS
PS
equal
equal
to
to PT, ma'am.
PS equal to PT. That is the CPCT. Proved. Very good. Correct. That is they are the congruent. Because of congruency by CPCT, you can say the others and the sides are equal. Correct. Now, whenever you have to prove something is equal to something, you have to either go for isosceles triangle or for the congruency of triangle. Shall we go to the next topic there?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we?
You have already learned.
You know what a cyclic quadrilateral is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's perform an activity.
So these three are cyclic quadrilateral. Why? Why are
Their
they called
square of
cyclic
opposite
quadrilateral?
angles is equal to 180 degree,
Are
ma'am.
lies on a circle, ma'am.
Correct. Four vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. Second property is opposite angles are supplement.
Let us now geometry.
Supplementary means what?
It is the degree, ma'am.
Correct. Here we can also prove it.
Similarly, angle CAB is equal.
Here you cannot see properly. It's not visible. Angle CAB equal to
Angle
to
CAD.
angle CDB.
angle CBD. They have taken CAB and CDB. Correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, according to the angle sum property,
Now, this is not playing properly. We will only prove it.
the converse of theorem 1 is also true. It states that if a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic. A quadrilateral ABCD is given such that angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degrees. It is to be proved that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. If possible, let ABCD not be a cyclic quadrilateral. Draw a circle passing through three non-collinear points A, B and C. Let this circle meet CD or CD produced at E. Join EA. It is given that the sum of angles ABC and ADC is equal to 180 degrees. Denote this as equation 1. Now, ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral, so its opposite angles must be supplementary. Therefore, the sum of angles ABC and AEC is equal to 180 degrees. Denote this as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, we get that the sum of angles ABC and ADC is equal to the sum of angles ABC and AEC. This implies that angle ADC is equal to angle AEC. But angle ADC is an exterior angle of triangle EAD. Since an exterior angle of a triangle is never equal to its interior opposite angle, angle ADC can be equal to angle AEC only if point E coincides with point D. So, the circle passing through points A, B and C must also pass through point D. Thus, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Hence, if a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary, then the quadrilateral is cyclic.
Ma'am,
The exterior angle property
Yes?
ma'am, in square and rectangle we have the sum of opposite angles is 180. No, ma'am, it is not cyclic.
Here, it is 180, correct? But it means you can draw a circle passing through all the four vertices of the rectangle or the square. You want to see that?
Yes, ma'am.
See, what you're saying is, in a rectangle, opposite angles are supplementary. So it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, it is. That means you can draw a circle passing through all the 4 points of a rectangle or a square. That is the meaning of that. See, here, can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, this is a rectangle. Okay. So, you can draw a circle passing through all the 4 vertices of the rectangle. You can draw. You try.
Yes, ma'am.
This looks oval. This is not looking like a circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Looking like a circle only.
yeah. See like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can also draw a square. It's not correctly drawn. You can take some measurements and then you can draw a circle passing through the 4 vertices of a square and a rectangle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Here, one side of a quadrilateral is produced, then the exterior angle formed is equal to the interior opposite angle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, see, what they are saying is, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced. Produced means extended, correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The exterior angle formed. This is the exterior angle. Correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to interior opposite angle, this angle. Can you prove it? Can you prove? I'll give some names. A. Can you prove?
Yes, ma'am.
Prove.
Ma'am, the names are not clear.
I'm writing, but it's not taking.
Ma'am, now clear.
Now tell me how you can prove.
Ma'am, angle BCD plus angle BC is equal to 180, ma'am. And angle BCD plus angle DAB is equal to 180, ma'am. So angle DAB. So
DAB?
angle
Angle?
DAB plus angle BCD is equal to angle BCD plus angle BCE, ma'am. In
So?
both the sides, the BCD get cancelled, ma'am. We get angle DAB is equal to angle BC.
Correct, very good. They have given the proof. Can you do this?
What, ma'am?
Have I not shared the screen?
No, ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am, you
I'll-
should, but nothing is visible.
This one. This one. Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral.
Ma'am, screen is not visible. Ma'am, screen is not visible.
No, I'm opening whiteboard. Whiteboard is not opening. Screen is not visible. Now it's open. Can you see whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a cyclic quadrilateral. Oh no, it's not writing properly. I think I should take the paint screen. This whiteboard is giving a lot of trouble. Now, there is a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Some problem with this. Now, what you have to do is, they have given that AD is parallel to BC, angle B is 80. This angle is 80. Not writing also. Children, you have to find the other angles. They have given
All the
angle
three.
B. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle B is given as 80 degrees. You have to find the other angles. This pen is not writing, children. Some problem with this. Need to change this pen. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am,
About
angle
other
A is 100, angle D is 100, angle
Angle
C
A is 80,
80.
ma'am.
So this is 100. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
80,
ma'am.
80. Angle B is 80. So this is 100. This will be 80. This will be 80. This will be how much? This is parallel to
Angle A
this.
is 100, ma'am, angle C is 80.
B is given as 80.
Angle C is 80, ma'am.
Angle A
Angle
is
C
100,
Angle
ma'am,
A
angle
is
C is
100
80.
degree, ma'am. A is
If two
100.
lines are parallel, then interior angle sum up to 180, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 80, this will be 100. So this will be 80, this will be 100. This pen is not writing, children. It's giving me a lot of problems. I will find some replacement for that.
This implies that Example 2. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that the trapezium is cyclic.
What is the meaning of non-parallel?
Ma'am, they are not
Lines
When we
parallel.
extend
not
that line,
parallel.
they meet at a point. When we extend that line,
They meet at a single point. Ma'am.
They meet at a point, okay, but here, which is not parallel, is non-parallel, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, the figure is given. Now they have given a hint. Draw BE parallel to AD. They have given that AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. AD equal to AD equal to
AD equal to BE, ma'am. BE, ma'am.
BE and BC.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So angle 3 equal to
Angle 4, ma'am.
Angle 4, ma'am.
angle, correct. 1 plus 2, angle 1 plus
180,
180,
ma'am.
ma'am.
180, ma'am.
correct. Then you have to prove that it is cyclic. You have to prove that angle 2 plus angle 4 is 180. Two plus 4 is 180, you have to prove. 1 plus 2 is 180. 1 equal to, angle 1 equal to, angle 1 is equal to,
Angle ABE, ma'am.
AB.
Angle 3 also.
angle 3. Why?
Because
Why?
ma'am, ABD is a parallelogram and AB is and
Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Why?
ma'am, because AB D is a parallelogram and ma'am, so AD is parallel to B ma'am and D act as a transversal, so the corresponding angles are equal. 1 is equal to 3.
Correct. But 3 equal to?
4 ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
No. Angle 1 plus, correct. Angle 1 plus 2 equal to 180. In place of 1, we can write 4, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 plus 2 is also 180. If it is 180, then ABCD is?
Cyclic quadrilateral.
Cyclic trapezium.
Correct. Cyclic quadrilateral.
But it is given that since a pair of opposite angles of a example 3,
In triangle ADE, AE equal to DE, a circle passing through A and D intersects AE and DE at B and C. Prove that AD is parallel to BC.
in a triangle ADE, AE is equal to DE. A circle passing through A and D intersects AE and DE at B and C respectively. Prove that AD is parallel to BC. It is given that AE is equal to DE. Therefore, angles EDA and
This is the given figure. Triangle ADE. Where is E? AE equal to DE. So, therefore,
Angle
AE equal
EDA equal
Angle EAD equal to angle EDA.
okay. Then, what can you say? Angle A equal to angle D. You have to prove that AD is parallel to BC. What kind of figure is ADCB or ABCD?
Ma'am,
Trapezium,
trapezium.
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 No. You can't say it is trapezium. You can say it is a cyclic quadrilateral.
Cyclic
You have to
quadrilateral.
prove- You have to prove AD is parallel to BC, then you can say it is trapezium. Here we have written that A equal to D. A plus C is how much? A plus C.
180 degree.
180.
180 degree, ma'am.
180 degree. A plus C is 180. So in place of A, we can write D, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
C plus D how much?
180 ma'am.
180.
Therefore, AD is parallel to BC.
example 4. ABCD is a parallelogram and a circle through A, B and C intersects CD produced at E. Prove that AE is equal to AD. By the linear pair axiom, the sum of
ABCD is a parallelogram. What kind of figure is ABCE? ABCE.
Cyclic quadrilateral, ma'am.
Cyclic quadrilateral, ma'am.
Cyclic quadrilateral. We have to prove AE equal to AD. How much is ABC plus AEC?
180, ma'am.
Ma'am, 180.
180 degree.
180, ma'am.
180.
180.
Correct. ADC equal to
ABC, ma'am. ABC, ma'am.
ABC. So, AED plus ADC will be 180. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
AEC plus ADC is 180. Is it correct?
Ma'am, repeat.
AEC plus ADC is 180. Because ADC equal to ABC.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is a parallelogram. ADC plus ADE is 180. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So from that, how can you prove? ADC plus ADC plus ADE is 180. ADC plus AE is 180. Therefore, are you
Hello,
there?
ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Ma'am, angle ADC can get cancelled, ma'am, and angle ADE is equal to angle AEC, ma'am.
AEC. Therefore,
AE is equal to AD, ma'am.
Equal to D, AD, ma'am.
AE is equal to AD, ma'am.
correct.
Now try these questions and check
Take a screenshot of this and take it as homework. I will also send it in WhatsApp. Can you do?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you do?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Try. Will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Three questions are there. First question, you have to find PRS and QPM. Second question, you have to find BCD. Third question, you prove that every cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Very easy.
here are the answers and the
I don't want to show you the answer, you try. So we have finished all, I think. Yes? Have you finished all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Results on equal chords and then degree measure of an arc, angles in the same segment and cyclic quadrilateral. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, results on equal circle and its parts we did. Results on equal chords have we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Degree
ma'am.
measure of an arc, angles in the same segment, cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So next is the quiz. You want me to open this one wheel,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
spinning wheel? So now I have opened it. I'll share the screen with you. After that, only once I'll open the wheel, then I'll just share the question, not the wheel. Can you see? Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha, you have to answer this question. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
No? Wait, I'll share. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am.
What is the answer? Angle subtended by a chord at the center is called?
Central angle, ma'am.
And
That's correct.
become very slow. Very slow, children. Not responding.
Ma'am, you can call the names.
Okay. Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer this question?
B option, ma'am. Central angle.
Central angle. Okay. It's become very slow. I don't know why. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some problem here. Next, Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer this question, Akash? Some problem is it's not open.
Screen is not visible, ma'am.
visible.
Ma'am, screen is not.
Ma'am, screen is
1 minute, I will share with you. See, suddenly it freezes. Can't hear anything. Akash, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle subtended by a chord at the center. Same question has come. Some problem is here. Not okay, children. Bhumika? Bhumika?
Ma'am, I am not finished.
You want to answer this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
The angle subtended by the chord AB on the circle is called. Is it exterior?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it central?
No, ma'am.
No,
Is
ma'am.
it supplementary?
No, ma'am.
So which is the correct one?
Yeah,
Option is
Inscribed angle.
That's correct.
Bhumika didn't answer. Madhumita?
yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
can
option
you
E.
answer this?
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, option E.
Correct, Madhumita.
That's correct.
Now, Mahalakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this question 4.
Ma'am, then obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Correct, Mahalakshmi. Next is Mahadesh. Mahantesh. Is it there? Angle subtended by the diameter in a semicircle. Mahantesh,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to answer this question. This is the last question. Mahalakshmi has raised her hand. This is the last question we can close for today's lesson.
Right
Mahantesh
angle,
has to answer.
Right angle, ma'am.
Right angle is
That's
right.
correct.
It is correct. Okay. Time is up. We can close today's class. Is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.